Hello guys, I'm with Kuya RD Roberto, the husband of one and only si Ate Miriam Kiambao po. Kuya RD, since you're a writer and publisher of book, any advice po sa mga Christian na gusto tahakin yung same path? Gusto nila magsulat para kay Lord? Any wisdom po?
Yeah. So first of all, what comes to mind is yung motivation. Like, sometimes people will write para sumikat sila, gusto na magkaroon sila ng pangalan, parang Tower of Babel, di ba? Na they wanted to they build the Tower of Babel to make a name for themselves.
Yes.
So when you write, have the right motivation na hindi motivation na susulat ako para maging sikat ako na author. Dapat yung motivation natin is that I want to write because I want to present the truth. I want to share the good news. I want to share the gospel and share the stories that God has crafted and written in my life. And remember, you're writing, God has already written that letter in your heart. So ang gagawin mo na, ilalabas mo na lang yan.
Amen, amen. Maraming salamat po Kuya RD. Pwede share nyo yung mga books na naisulat nyo na para mabasa rin nila.
Okay. Well, you can go to the OMF Lit website. Nandun yung Real Men Are Pogi.
Yon.
Yan.
Binigyan niya ako nun. Basahin nyo yun guys, bumili kayo nun. Grabe.
Real Men Are Pogi. Meron din tayong gospel track called Ang Buhay na Hindi Bitin. Tsaka yung #1 best-selling book ko, yung Pera na Hindi Bitin. You learn about financial stewardship. Yun.
Thank you so much Kuya RD Roberto. God bless you po.
God bless.